So, sagutin natin itong katanungan na 'to from my YouTube channel comment na magkano po ba ang earnings kapag star host? Ang star host is a basic salary here on Popo Life na kung saan yan yung quality basic salary natin. Which I mean is kailangan nyo muna maging S-idol or kaya naman rocket host para po maging part ng star host po. And once na naging S-idol kayo or kaya rocket host, you need to earn 2.5 earnings weekly in 3 consecutive weeks. Consecutive means magkakasunod, meaning nun 2.5M, 2.5M, 2.5M. And if you're planning to be part of Star Host, as being a Star Host, once nakapasok po kayo, kailangan quality ang inyong talent and of course, your quality din po ang inyong life. Meron din po itong income target na kung saan kailangan nyo ma-maintain yung $180 per week. Although ang makikita nyo pong tasking as star host po is 24 hours in a week, at least you need to maintain the income po na $180 or else babalik po kayo sa pagiging S-idol or rocket host. Once po na natanggal kayo as being S-idol, rocket host, or kaya naman star host, you can reapply after 30 days. Pero syempre, kailangan nyong i-improve ang quality ng life nyo and of course, your talent. So, malaking bagay din po ang pagiging basic salary host natin dahil meron na kayong specific basic salary or live task reward na kailangan nyong i-maintain. Which is hindi na kayo kasali sa mga regular task reward natin na kagaya sa mga ordinary user na mayroong level I to S, ordinary task reward, mga ganon. So, ang basic salary ng Star Host is $40 and weekly po ito. So, sa mga interested po maging part ng basic salary, especially Star Host, you can message us. You can follow me on Popo Live. My user ID is 79170. I'm doing live every Tuesday hanggang Saturday, 9 p.m.